The audience are the creators, the ones that create meaning, that actually are creating the picture and what it means for them.
Try and stay absolutely still like a statue.
Sometimes you just find it by doing it.
Choose which of the brushes you want.
I wanted to make people laugh because it's a comic, you know, yeah.
I got fire in my soul, in my heart, passion, and drama, which is the comedy and tragedy mask, singing, and I love reading books as well.
Some foliage, some flowers, music.
Camouflage is to protect me from society and anyone who thinks they can judge me because I look different.
Try and have a little bit of eye contact with me whilst you're reading.
Okay. And I tried working on for cure leather. Well, she was really bad at asthma, but it didn't work.
I started smoking.
I've got The Man by James Graham.
We've got this photograph from 1979 and she's got a cold sore on her cheek the size of a tennis ball.
Like last week, I was standing in front of this window, staring at this bag that I couldn't afford.
Well, what can I do? What can you say when a man asks you to dance with him? I could go on dancing like this forever.
I am a woman who would love to scream and shout.
But we used to run delivering sandwiches to local businesses, and quite often we didn't get orders.
I don't think you need an awful lot of work on it.
No, very conversational.
Really good.
Yeah.
Then I saw this boy in the garden of the flat next to mine, putting out scraps for the sick fox that sleeps behind the shed.
I wonder if Jesus had a brother. Couldn't find in the Bible.
I like to look at his sleeping, peaceful face. I like to remember us as children.
I'm like some sort of economic barometer all on my own, me. Sod the FTSE 100.
That really showed how capable you are.
Thank you, and thank you so very much for giving me this opportunity to be here.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.